Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly show you how to set up your custom domain name in ClickFunnels. As you can see mine, I use ClickFunnels down here, my little post. And how to secure the site so you get the secure and your own domain name, right? In ClickFunnels for the default, it'll be www.thenyourdomainname.com like Russell's is here, right? He actually needs to secure his page, maybe. Maybe he's not worried. But instead of it being www. I'm going to show you later how you can get rid of that. But the default way of doing it, I will show you how to do it right. So I've got a funnel set up ready that I need to now add a domain name to. So I've got this Happy Me funnel. My company's Happy Me Limited. And I want it not to be paulnicholson.clickfunnels.com. I want it to be happyme.com homepage, right? So what I do first, I go to domains here. Oh, domains, right? And I add a new domain. Click add your own domain. And then it'll say enter the domain name that you want. So happyme.com. As I say, you're going to have to do, if you've got GoDaddy or HostGator or something like that, you're going to have to use the www at the start. Add domain. And then it says here how to connect your domain using a CNAME, points to www. ClickFunnels. So what you do is you're going to grab this, target.clickfunnels.com. You might want to go and look at detailed instructions. But in GoDaddy, you're going to go to My Products. Once you log in, go to My Products. And then find the domain name. So mine's happyme.com, or happy-me.com. And currently, it's pointing to this IP address on the main root site, right? But what you've got to do is edit this CNAME that says www, and then it's pointing at the root domain. It's pointing at this host domain. But you first want to change this CNAME, and if you haven't got one, you need to add a CNAME that is www, right? And then paste in that. I would recommend changing this to 600, which is the lowest it can go, and save. So that's what you would do if you don't have a www, right? Or www. I obviously got one, so I'm just going to edit this one, paste it, and then change this to as low as it can go, and save, right? So now the www is going to the right place. In GoDaddy, I've got to now forward the non-www to the www, right? It'll make sense eventually. So I'm going to delete this. There is no host now. So what I have to go down here is to forwarding and add forward to HTTP. It depends if you're going to secure it. You may want to leave it as HTTP because it will bounce anyway. And then put in the forwarding domain. So this is forwarding the non-www to the www, right? And then save it. And that will bring up, eventually when it's loaded, a new forwarding IP. So here, now it's added that. So that's natural forwarding, right? So when I go back to ClickFunnels, and I can say I've done this step, and it's going to check, you did it. happyme.com is connected and ready to use. So at this point, you can already tag in the Happy Me funnel, which it's a good thing that in different places you can do it, and you can do it afterwards as well. So I'm going to take associate funnel. happyme.com's verified. So if I go to, what do you want me to do? Go to that funnel now. The Happy Me funnel. Now it says, so I've got to change this. Settings. It's associated Happy Me funnel. If I visit that, it's now up here at happyme.com, and then the home page, right? So now that has taken the www. Now, I'm not sure how quickly, let me turn this off. The forwarding will take. Yeah, so it works. So basically, if you take out the www, the forward points to www, right? So now what you want to do is make it secure so that you've got a secure HTTPS, because if people are logging into your website and you've got an opt-in form and they're doing it from a cafe or something, it's going to say this is not a secure website. So you want to go to Edit and then SSL. Set up SSL for your custom domain. Expand and add SSL. And that'll take a while for it to go through. I don't know. You might have to wait a while. Sometimes it might work straight away, or within 15 minutes. But you'll have to wait a little bit of time. And that what it is. It'll, instead of it being HTTP, it's HTTPS. At the moment, it's not set up, so that's where it says your connection is not private. So I'll just stay about 5 minutes. I'll just show you again. I'll go through it again. So you're going to go to Domains, Add New Domain, and we can do it again actually in that you might want it to be sales or info dot. So I might want it to be use existing domain, but here use a subdomain and go info dot happyme.com. Add domain. Copy this. This time when I go to GoDaddy, I'm going to add a CNAME that is info and then points to targets at ClickFunnels, targets.clickfunnel.com. Save that. So CNAME is info. So this is going to be info.happy-me.com for me. When I go back to ClickFunnels and click I've done it. Good job. Info.happyme is correctly done. I don't know if it'll be happy for me to associate. So I can go there. When I go back to that funnel, now it says there, look, info.happyme.com. So when I go here, it's info.happyme.com, not happyme.com, right? So you can do a subdomain. So if you've already got a website, that's what you would want to do. If you want it to be your main website like I use, then you would use the actual main domain, right? So if I go to settings and change it back to www.happyme.com, save and update settings, and that's changed it back to the happyme.com. So in 5 or 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, it will become a secure website. What I'm going to do now is show you how I get rid of the www, how I don't use it, and it's really personal preference. You're gonna, because it's bouncing anyway, it's bouncing straight forward. It's maybe not a big deal. I just want, some people just don't like it, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. Okay. Right, so it only took a couple of minutes, but now I've got a secure website. Look, HTTPS www.happyme.com. I didn't want to leave you hanging with me saying I'm going to remove that www. I almost stopped the video there. What I did it a little bit too quick and I broke the website. So what I'll do is in a new video, and I'll put a link, if you're watching it on YouTube, I'll put a link to the video on how to get rid of the www. I just rushed through it a little bit too fast and it actually ended up breaking the site. So obviously I don't want to show you me breaking the site. But if you come and visit me, paulnicholson.com, you'll see my ClickFunnels page. Come and jump in and I'll create some training areas for ClickFunnels. So you see ClickFunnels training there, and I'll add some topics on ClickFunnels training, and I'll do a more structured course as well. So come and visit me, paulnicholson.com. Any questions you've got, it's easy to just ask me, contact me, find me a question, and I'll always try to help. So I hope this video helped. I'm sorry I didn't put that little bit on the end, but I will create a new video I didn't want to rush through it like I did in the recording and mess you up. I want to do it slowly so you get the proper video. All right, thanks for watching, guys.